The first day of our workshop in Hyderabad was truly enriching and packed with experience that will stay with us for a long time. The training sessions were incredible, knowledgeable, giving us fresh insights and perspectives. As a part of the group activities was sang Chura Liya Hai Tumne Jo Dil Ko, a classic that brought smile and laughter to everyone. It was a joyful moment of bonding and fun.
To teacher relationship, teacher to parent relationship, principal to teacher relationship.
After the session, we visited the iconic Charminar. In bus while traveling, we played Antakshari, filling the air with music and laughter. The Charminar, a landmark that beautifully represents that rich culture and history of Hyderabad. We had a great time exploring the area, including in some local shopping and capturing moments through photographs with our colleagues. Day 2 of the workshop was just as exciting. A highlight of the day was performing group dance as a part of a task.
ये मेरे लाइक डांस है Next time, when you are taking me for the performance, I want to dance. Can you make a picture?
The workshop was a perfect blend of learning and leaving us with unforgettable memories and stronger bonds with our team. In the evening, we went out for another round of shopping, shocking in the vibrant atmosphere of Hyderabad market. It was truly a great experience. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.